Alright, we're at this main place tower garage parking elevator. Oh, it's got a roto down. Let's see, does it work? I hear it coming. It works. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. There you go. Ooh. This is cool. What is it doing? Why are we going up now? Mall level. Mall level? We're going down.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting a video of the old elevator.
Oh, sorry.
You're all good.
Will there be a new elevator?
What?
Will there be a new elevator?
I'm not sure.
Oh.
But
Just when you called it the old elevator,
Oh,
I was
yeah.
like, oh, is this the
well, this is just an old elevator in general.
Oh, gotcha. Sorry to wreck your
You're all
video.
good. Have a good one. I think 3 might be locked. Also, these open right into the mall. I thought you said the mall was closed.
Oh.
Oops. Silly guy. Oh. Haha, just kidding, it is closed. I don't want to be a prosecuted violator, so. I think the 3rd floor is locked. Maybe you just need to hold it. Well, I think 2nd floor. I think the 3rd floor is locked. Pretty neat. Let's see, can you see them all? Oh, wow. Look at that. I'm not gonna get out, but look. And then there's the call. Oh, it's nudging again. Come on.
Yeah, y'all can't be on the top of the mall, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, I won't. We didn't get out. We were just...
No, yeah, I
Two.
I don't care if y'all record this.
Okay,
Just
okay.
don't go out.
Yeah, we won't. Don't worry, we're not. I didn't realize this was all like connected.
Yeah, all their buildings. The Liberty Building still has a manual freight. They might, if they let you check it out, they might let you just.
Oh yeah, you already knew. I'm filming the elevator.
Yeah, I think I see your videos sometimes. I'm not.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I've seen them on the internet.
Which one? Which is it?
I don't remember the exact.
There's actually a good few of us.
Yeah, there's a couple,
That's funny as hell.
Because I think another one of you guys came before.
Oh yeah, a few of us has been through. Like Diesel Juicy.
Yeah, I told him the same thing. I told him if he goes, I don't think anybody's ever been able to see the Liberty one.
Oh,
but it's
really?
a manual freight. Like
That's cool.
It's a lever.
Yeah, we're going to there.
Yeah, so just give it a shot. They still and in the main place tower where you just were, they still have the
Oh, I checked those out.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Have a good one. That was he already knew what I was doing. That is so funny.
He was like, "Here's a manual freight."
I was like, wait, we didn't even tell him. Oh, how's it going? No, you're good.
I need to go upstairs.
That's so funny. He already knew. He was just like, oh yeah, by the way, go to the other one.
Other places? Question mark?
I'm gonna have to send that to Jason. Maybe he saw that guy.